Selena, Class 10, Chapter 21, Trigonometrical Identities. Sum number 1, Part 9, left hand side is equal to root of 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A. Multiply and divide by root of 1 minus sine A. We get root of 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A into 1 minus sine A upon 1 minus sine A. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square equal to root of 1 minus sine square a. A minus b into a minus b is a minus b the whole square upon 1 minus sine a the whole square. 1 minus sine square a is cos square a. Root of cos square a upon 1 minus sine a the whole square. Square and root cancel each other. Here also square and root cancel each other. Remains cos a upon 1 minus sin a equal to right hand side. Sum number 10. Left hand side is equal to root of 1 minus cos a upon 1 plus cos a. Multiply by and divide by root of 1 plus cos a. We get root of 1 minus cos a upon 1 plus cos a into 1 plus cos a upon 1 plus cos a. Numerator is 1 minus cos a into 1 plus cos a, which is equals to a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. 1 minus cos square a equal to root of 1 minus cos square a upon a plus b into a plus b the whole square equal to 1 plus cos a the whole square. 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. Root of sin square a upon root of 1 plus cos a the whole square. Root and square cancel each other equal to sin a upon 1 plus cos a equal to right hand side. Part 11. Left hand side is equals to 1 plus sec a minus tan a the whole square upon cos a into sec a minus tan a. Here 1 is equals to sec square a minus tan square a. So instead of 1 we will write sec square a minus tan square a plus sec a minus tan a the whole square upon cosec a into sec a tan a. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b equal to sec a minus tan a into sec a plus tan a plus sec a minus tan a the whole square upon cosec a into sec a minus tan a. In these two terms sec a minus tan a is common. So sec a minus tan a is common, we take out it and it's cancelled by the denominator. So what is remaining? Sec a plus tan a plus one more sec a minus tan a upon cosec a. Open the bracket. Sec a tan a get cancelled. 2 sec a upon cosec a. Sec a is 1 upon cos a. Cosec is 1 upon sin a. So it will become 2 sin a upon cos a, which is equals to 2 tan a equal to right hand side. Sum number part 12. Cosec a minus cot a the whole square plus 1 upon sec a into cosec a minus cot a. Instead of 1 we will write cosec a minus cot square a equal to cosec a minus cot a the whole square plus cosec square a minus cot square a upon sec a into cosec a minus cot a. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b equal to cosec a minus cot a the whole square plus cosec a minus cot a cosec a plus cot a upon sec a into cosec a minus cot a. In this two term cosec a minus cot a is common. We will take out, which will be cancelling with the denominator. What remains? Cosec a minus cot a cosec a plus cot a upon sec a. Cot a will get cancelled each other. 2 cosec a upon sec a. Cosec is 1 upon sine, sec is 1 upon cos equal to cos a upon sine a. which is cot A, equal to 2 cot A equal to right hand side. Part 13, left hand side is equal to cot square A into sec A minus 1 upon 1 plus sin A plus sec square A into sin A minus 1 upon 1 plus sec A. First, this part, here multiply by sec A plus 1, multiply and divide by sec A plus 1. We get, here we have written cot square A into sec A minus 1 upon 1 plus sin A into sec A plus 1 upon sec A plus 1 plus, write as it is, sec square A into sin A minus 1 upon 1 plus sec A. A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square, sec square A minus 1, and here 1 minus sin A and sec A plus 1 equal to cot square A into sec square A minus 1 upon 1 plus sin A into sec A plus 1 plus sec square A into sin A minus 1 upon 1 plus sec A. Sec square A minus 1 is tan square A. Cot square A into tan square A upon 1 plus sin A into sec A plus 1 plus sec square A into sin A minus 1 upon 1 plus sec A. Cot is 1 upon tan square A, so tan square A cancel each other, remains 1 upon 1 plus sin A into sec A plus 1 plus sec square A sin A minus 1 upon 1 plus sec A. Now LCM of this denominator is 1 plus sin A into sec A plus 1. Therefore, here this term multiply and divide by 1 plus sin A. Therefore, numerator will be 1 plus sec square A into sin A minus 1 into 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A into sec A plus 1. Okay. Now, 1 plus sec square A into A minus B, A plus B is A square minus B square. Therefore, sin square A minus 1 upon 1 plus sin A into sec A plus 1. Sin square A minus 1 is minus cos square A. We will write here. So 1 plus sec square A into minus cos square A upon 1 plus sin A into sec A minus 1. Sec square A is 1 upon cos square A. So cos square A get cancelled, minus 1. 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus sin A into sec A plus 1. 1 minus 1, 0 equal to right hand side. Part 14, left hand side equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A the whole square upon cos raised to 4A minus sin raised to 4A. This is cos square the whole square minus sin square the whole square. A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. Therefore, cos square A minus sin square A into cos square A plus sin square A. Numerator is 1 minus sin square A the whole square. Cos square A minus sin square A is 1 and cos square A is 1 minus sin square A equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A the whole square upon 1 minus sin square A and minus sin square A, which minus sin square A is minus 2 sin square A. So we get 1 minus 2 sin square A the whole square upon 1 minus 2 sin square A. 1 minus sin square A cancel equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. Sin square A is 1 minus cos square A equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 minus cos square A, which is equal to 1 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 cos square A. So 2 cos square A, 1 minus 2 is minus 1 equal to right hand side. Part 15, left hand side is equal to sec raised to 4A into 1 minus sin raised to 4A minus 2 tan square A equal to, this is 1 minus sin square the square. So it will be A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. Therefore, sec raised to 4 into 1 minus sine square a into 1 plus sine square a minus 2 tan square a. Okay. 1 minus sine square a is cos square a equal to sec raised to 4a into cos square a into 1 plus sine square a minus 2 tan square a. Here it is 1 upon cos raised to 4a into cos square a. So it cancel, remains sec square a. Sec square a into 1 is sec square a. Sec square a upon sine square a is sine square a. 1 upon sec square a is cos square a. So sine square a upon cos square a minus 2 tan square a. This will be tan square a. So sec square a plus tan square a minus 2 tan square a. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1, equal to right hand side. Part 16. Cosec raised to 4a into 1 minus cos raised to 4a minus 2 cot square a equal to is left hand side. So 1 minus 1 a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b, that we will write. Cosec raised to 4a into 1 minus cos square a into 1 plus cos square a minus 2 cot square a. 1 minus cos square a is sin square a equal to cosec raised to 4a into sin square a into 1 plus cos square a minus 2 cot square a. This is 1 upon sin raised to 4a into sin square a. So sin square a get cancelled, remains 1 upon sin square a, which is cos square a. Cos square a into 1 is, cosec square a into 1 is cosec square a plus cos square a. Cosec square is 1 upon sin. So cos square a upon sin square a minus 2 cot square a. Cos square a upon sin square a is cot square a. Cosec square a plus cot square a minus 2 cot square a. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Cos square a, cosec square a minus cot square a equal, which is equal to 1, equal to right hand side. Part 17. Left hand side is equal to 1 plus tan a plus sec a into 1 plus cot a minus cosec a. We will open the bracket. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into cot a, 1 into minus cosec a, minus cosec a. Okay, tan into 1, tan a. Okay, cot a into tan a is 1 here, and tan a into minus cosec a is minus sec a. Sec a into 1, sec a. Sec a into cot a is cosec a, and minus cosec a into sec a is minus cosec a into sec a. Okay. Now 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Plus cosec a minus cosec a cancel each other. Minus sec a plus sec a cancel each other. Tan a is cot a is cos a upon sin a. Tan a is sin a upon cos a minus cosec a, sec a is 1 upon sin a cos a. 2. Here LCM of this two term is sin a cos a. So multiply and divide by cos a. Here multiply divide by sin a. We get cos square a plus sin square a upon sin a cos a minus 1 upon sin a cos a. Cos square a plus sin square a is 1 equal to 2 plus 1 sin a plus cos a upon minus sin a into cos a minus 1 upon sin a into cos a. So these two terms cancel each other, remain equal to 2, equal to right hand side.